Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Look at this tiny baby running around in the house. And then it's a beautiful morning, sunny, nice. My shake is ready. This is cookies and cream flavor today. And my tea is also ready over here. You guys can see. So I'm gonna go give one tea to Mayank. And I have defrosted one big chicken breast because Ashley and my brother wanted to eat. I have this thing here. Should I keep it?
Yeah.
Because I'll just keep it there only.
Keep it there, he'll come jump on it.
Yeah.
Falling now. By the chai giving us.
And then they wanted to eat butter chicken, so we'll be making butter chicken for them tonight. And I'll make it in the afternoon and keep it. And my mom has checked in India, like she's coming here tomorrow. So she has checked in and everything. And she'll be reaching here tomorrow by 1 o'clock. Like she'll be landing by 9:50, but coming out of the airport and coming home, she'll be here by I think 1 or 2, I guess. So from tomorrow's vlog, you guys are gonna see my mom also in the vlog. And yep, that is what is happening. I'm also gonna go enjoy my tea, upload a video. I'm done editing, I just need to upload it right now. And that will be it. Just put the light here. Let me see it on. So dark. And let me show you Astro. Sitting on his towel right here. Marvel is sitting here so peacefully. And look at this tiny monster. Are you a tiny monster, Astro? Astro! And are you a very good boy, Marvel? Hmm? So I took bath and everything, uploading a video, and I was actually very busy trying to find an app to edit my thumbnail for YouTube channel, and finally found it, the Spark app. And right now it's our lunch break, so we're quickly going to Publix to get all the ingredients that we need to make tomorrow's dinner, because tomorrow is Ashley's birthday. So we're doing everything Italian food kind of thing. We are making it for her tomorrow. So tomorrow mom is also gonna be here, and when she comes from office, Ashley, her dinner will be kind of like Italian dinner will be ready. So that is what we are planning. So we're gonna go get all the stuff and just keep it so that we can make it tomorrow. Marvel is sleeping, Astro is sleeping, so right time to go and I get the stuff. So we're going, and we'll come back and I'll show you everything that we got. We are back, and we got this croissant. We went to Publix and got some groceries also for everybody, because from tomorrow mom is gonna be here. So we did a little grocery, like tomatoes and onion and all that stuff, and everything for her birthday dinner tomorrow. So everything is done, and now I'm gonna make lunch quickly for us. I'm gonna make croissant. This is everything. Everything is actually a seasoning, so this is everything croissant. And you also get plain croissant, but we got this one. So I'm gonna make egg with top it with some shredded cheese and put it between them. So that is what I'm gonna make. So let's make it. Super hungry. I'll show you how I do it. Lunch is ready. Some salt and vinegar chips and egg and cheese croissant. It's so good, guys. I'll definitely do a recipe one day for this thing. It's so simple and so easy and very quick. Anyway, so I'm gonna go eat lunch, and then I have to come back to kitchen and cook butter chicken and all that stuff. So I'll show you when I cook butter chicken. Okay, I am back in the kitchen, and I have marinated the chicken breast over here. Cut in, you can see the size. So I added turmeric, black pepper, salt, and little tiny bit of paprika, because Ashley cannot eat spicy. So very little bit of paprika, like you won't even know the flavor of paprika in it. And now I'm just gonna like fry it just for like 1 minute until it becomes white in color. I don't want it to be fully cooked. And then I'm gonna take it out, and meanwhile I'll be chopping onion and all that stuff. So let's do it. Okay, I have a little bit of butter and oil here. This. So this is what I'm doing here. Hold on. I separate everything like individual pieces, and I'll let them cook. Yep, this looks perfect. Okay, in the same pan, now I'm going to add chopped onions and ginger garlic paste. And let me show you. I'm going to add 3/6 of cinnamon, some coriander powder, tiny bit, and there's no garam masala, so that is why I'm going to add. Hold on, this one. I'm just going to add chicken masala. But if you have garam masala, go ahead and add garam masala. Which is good. Cinnamon is going to give a really nice flavor. Added fresh tomato puree, and I'm going to cook it now for some time, like 10 to 15 minutes, and also add a little bit of water. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm just gonna let it boil, saute, simmer kind of thing, and then add other ingredients like milk. You can add fresh cream. I don't have fresh cream, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the milk, and then add in the chicken back and cook it properly. Okay, I added in milk and also the chicken pieces, and you can see how creamy it is right now. And I'm just gonna let it cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes or even 20 minutes. and that's it. I'm just gonna cover it with a lid, and this baby will be ready right here. Rice is almost done over here, so I'm just gonna, once the rice is all cooked, I'm gonna throw the water and it's gonna be done. Dun dun dun! Lunch, dinner is almost ready. Morning, guys. We were so tired last night, so we just slept, and I just got up at 6 o'clock. It's 6:30 right now. So I'm going to end this vlog, and today is Ashley's birthday. I'm going to start a new vlog. Mom is also gonna come. Super exciting day. You're gonna see so much of different things, new things. So that is it for today's vlog. I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. So till then, bye bye.